we got a package from Jakarta Timur, Jas Hujan, and the package is only 380 grams. Oh, package is quite good. Let's scale here. Oh wait. Okay, 300 at least. I will open this package. This package should be these things. Raincoat Ponco Jack Wolfskin. It's not original actually. Let's see. Should be like that. The raincoat should be like that. Okay. Let's see live view. The prices, the descriptions. Like this. The description is 150 centimeters. It can be used as a raincoat for the land and for everything. Okay. Let's see inside. We must be careful to open this package, because the raincoat is very fragile. See? There they are. Very fragile. I must be really be careful not to cut the raincoat, because the raincoat is very fragile. Yeah. Jack Wolfskin. This. It's from the satin like that. We open this. Oh, the inside is a satin too. You can see the material is like this. Very plain, lightweight. Oh yes, let's test it. How weight is only the raincoat? 271 grams. Wow, it's very lightweight. Okay, let's open this. Condition is good. There is any hanger in every sides. Okay, this is the head. The head has like this, so you can get the tightening the head. And this is the brand, should be in here. Wow, Jack Wolfskin. Okay, this is the inside, same with outside, and I will test it. Okay, so we will test it outside there. Okay, Jack Wolfskin Ponco. Let's test it in another place. Okay guys, we will test this. I will open these things. Inside is like this, outside is the same. Oh, in the inside you can see there is like a rubber. Outside is like this. Okay, first I will test it about how resistant with the water. I will put some water in here. Oh, the water cannot make it wet. Let's see. dry. Insane. See, this is still the same Jack Wolfskin. Voila. No need to drying again. Awesome.